Bonjour. So today we are going to look at the uses of qui and que in depth. So most of you right now should know, or I think all of you know how to use qui and que, but some problems and difficulties arise when you want to use qui and que with the following: qui est, qu'est, also ce qui and ce que. So I'm going to make it as simple as possible, but first I need to re-explain or reiterate something I talked about in class. Paul aime Marie. Paul loves Mary. In this sentence, Paul is a person. Paul is also a grammatical subject. Aime is a grammatical verb, and Marie is a person, but Marie is what we call a grammatical object. Okay? In the same idea, Paul aime cette chanson. Paul likes this song. Paul remains a subject, aime is still the verb, and chanson, so chanson is something, so you can think of it as an object. Chanson is also a grammatical object. So for when I mean object, it does not have to be a person. It can be a person or something abstract or even an object. I always refer to the grammatical object. This is very important. So let's take a look at how we're going to ask questions and how we're going to get these different answers. First of all, please keep in mind that qui est always means who, and qu'est always means what. Okay, just keep this in mind. So let's work with Paul aime Marie first. So I want to ask, who loves Mary? So I want Paul in my answer, right? Paul loves Mary. Who loves Mary? So of course I need who. So I'm gonna use qui est. Okay. So let's put qui est right. Let's write qui est right here. Qui est. Okay. Who loves Mary? And as you can see, I want the answer right here. So I am looking for a subject. Who loves Mary? Who loves? Qui aime. All right. So because I am looking for a subject, or I am using a subject, I'm going to ask qui est qui aime Marie? And this would mean who loves Mary. All right. Now let's pretend I want to ask, who does Paul love? Who does Paul love? And in this case, I need Mary as an answer, right? So again, I still need to ask who. So because I need to ask who, I'm gonna stick with qui est. But in this case, I am looking for an object as my answer. So qui est-ce que Paul aime? Qui est-ce que Paul aime? Okay? So this is, I don't know if I can make it any more simpler. I'm just going to continue and replace Marie with, replace Marie with chanson, cette chanson. Right here. So, sorry. So Paul aime cette chanson. Paul loves this song. In this case, we cannot use who because we are going to ask what. What does Paul like? So I'm going to ask qu'est-ce que, right? What does Paul like? So here, Paul likes this. This is again an object. And because this is an object, we are going to use que. Qu'est-ce que Paul aime? And this is how you use qui and que when asking questions. The same applies. Let's pretend you want to use, if you want to use ce qui or ce que, anything like that, the same is going to apply, guys. So ce qui is the thing that. or the person, or it's more like the thing. So ce qui, right here, and ce que, right here. So when I write ce qui arrive, again, as you can see, what happens. This is a subject. What happens? Okay? And if I write ce que j'aime, it's the thing that I like, but in this case it is j'aime ce que. Okay? J'aime ce que. So this is first. What happens? I like what. That's why we use ce qui and ce que. I hope this was clear. After this video, you will ask me if you have any question and I will try to clarify even more. Merci, au revoir.